This video will show you how to use your PayPal on your Walmart in-store. So in order to use PayPal at your Walmart store is that you need to just register or open your PayPal account on your phone or devices that you bring in the Walmart store. For example, it's set right here. You should make sure that your PayPal account is linked to a card or bank. You will also need the PayPal app installed on your phone. So at checkout on the Walmart market is that you need to open the PayPal account and tap scan or pay at the bottom, then scan the QR code at the register. Enter the amount due or confirm the total, then tap send to complete your payment instantly. You can also use PayPal debit card if you have one and just swipe it like any other card at any other store. And that's it.